This is room 28218. It's Emerald Bay, 1-bedroom suite. And this is, right when you get in, that's the bathroom. Guest bathroom. So basic toilet. Sink, mirror. And down the hallway, here's a bar for you. And a 6-seater diamond table. There's your little, I'm not sure what game this is, but you have one of these in your room. Full L couch. Looks like about a 70-inch TV. You come in this way. There's your sink and your toilet. And on this side is another sink and toilet. And there's a full shower. And then in this room would be the master. And this is a king-size bed. Little closet space. Let's see if anything's in here. Just a basic closet. There's your safe. Robes, another 70-inch TV, and our view today is of Hooters Hotel and the airport. Again, MGM Emerald Bay, 1-bedroom suite.